So XRP and all of crypto is in the middle of a war right now. Now, it's not the kind of war that we historically have fought. We have been for the last years, 4 years, in fact, fighting a war against the SEC, fighting a war against the White House, fighting a war against the previous regime, if you will. They were trying to do everything they could to get rid of crypto, to push it down, to squash it, to take it away from us. That's not the war we're in the middle of right now. The war that we're in the middle of right now is a trade war, is a war between the United States and right now Canada, Mexico, and China. Because today it is now official that the tariffs that were delayed a month ago of 25% on any Canadian imported goods and or any Mexican imported goods are a 25% tariff. We've also raised the tariffs on China an additional 10%. And that has completely thrown the entire crypto market into turmoil. And XRP is at war in the context of all of crypto, and XRP being one of the main cryptos out there, visibility, widely held, all of that is suffering for that, as we know. Now, we all know on Sunday, we had an announcement. It was the announcement of the Crypto Strategic Reserve, and XRP was named to that reserve, along with Cardano, Solana, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. And ironically, XRP has went up 25, 30+% and has now returned back down, did a round trip in that, in that move up and then move back down. Now, the move back down was specifically, again, related to the XRP, the crypto trade war, if you will, where we are in the middle of this trade war. You can see over here on the stock side of the house that the stocks are taking dramatic impact. Okay. Stocks wipe out entire post-election rally as tariffs bite. On the Dow, you can see it's down 785. There was $1.5 trillion worth of market capitalization in the stock market wiped out yesterday. One of the single biggest, worst days. And now we have continued bleeding of 785 down on the Dow, and on the NASDAQ down 298. Not good. There is unrest. There is turmoil. There is panic and blood in the streets, if you will. And this is a time where you have to, again, I've said this in millions of videos, you have to look at your assessment of why you're in crypto, where you're at, how much XRP do you own, how much Cardano, how much whatever all your cryptos are, where are you at in them? Are you in profit or not? Don't sell because you have some fear and some panic about what's going on right this moment. The smart money stays. The smart money, if you can, steps in and buys at times like this. Now, I think we've got some more blood in the proverbial waters as we roll for the rest of the week. I am going to take back a video that I did earlier. I think it was yesterday. I did a video. It was actually Sunday evening rolling into Monday, where I talked about XRP could have gone to $5 by this Friday. I simply don't think that's reality anymore. You know why? Because of what we're seeing. Because I honestly didn't believe that the tariffs were going to have this dramatic of an impact. And I don't think anybody did. Okay. I'm not perfect by any means. And I will call myself out on a observation that I made, and simply it is wrong. Okay. It's wrong because I didn't expect a round trip. I didn't expect us to go up as dramatically, to be buoyant and everything, and then immediately turn back around and head back below where we were on Sunday. Wasn't really expecting that. Knew the tariffs were coming, but I thought that what might play out was we might see a reprieve. We might see Mexico or Canada make some concessions, things of that nature. That simply did not happen, right? And so, again, I am the first to admit I'm wrong, okay? So I am a human. I am, prone to, making statements that are not always true. Isn't that happened to you as well? So if you want to flame me in the comments, so be it, okay? But remember, have you ever made a statement that turned out to be not true at some point? So just, throwing stones and all that, right? Okay. Here's the thing. I think we're going to be here for a little bit. Now, the interesting thing about this is on Friday, this coming Friday, we have, which is only 4 days away, including today, we have the Crypto White House Summit coming into play, right? And, oh, by the way, it is now official. Let me share this with you. Get over here to my profile. It's official that Brad Garlinghouse, I know this is blurry, but Brad Garlinghouse is going to be in attendance at the Crypto White House Summit. Again, there's one of those things where if you look at all of the pieces and you look at everything that's out there and you look at the fact that of the political and relationship, the political relationship and the financial relationship that exists between Ripple, Brad, and the current administration and everything that's been playing out there. And now Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, going to the Crypto White House Summit. And oh, by the way, XRP being named to the Crypto Strategic Reserve. All of these little breadcrumbs and these little pieces, they are big. They are a big deal. Okay, it makes me even more bullish than I was a week ago. Right. Well, Austin, the price right now is not doing great. I know. Okay. I mean, hey, let's call it what it is. I realize that because the entire market is down. But I'm here to tell you that if XRP goes to $1, I'm not one of the people that's going to be out there screaming and crying and saying, oh my God, XRP is going to the dollar and it's going to crash. No, I'm buying point blank. If that happens, if we drop below $2, I am buying. If we drop below $1, I'm buying because I believe in the long-term viability. Austin, you must be getting paid by XRP to talk about this. Hell no, I'm not. I'm not. There is no financial relationship between Ripple and I. They do not need me. Ripple does not need Austin doing a video about them. Okay. This video is for you. This video is for me. This video is for us here in the retail market. Everybody that the trenches that we are in, right? That's the key. All right. So that's why I do these videos. I want to keep you up to date. I want you to know what's going on. I wanted you to know that Brad was going to the Crypto White House Summit. I wanted you to know that if you look at all of the pieces, and I've said this in a previous video, I guarantee you there are meetings upon meetings that are happening between Ripple and Bank of America and Citi and major financial institutions and banks. Why? To adopt and leverage their technology. Why? Because Ripple's technology simply works and it is very, very good at what it does. I'll remind you that Bank of America used Ripple for all of their internal transfers, B of A, back from 2019 to 2021. Don't believe me? Go look it up. Go look it up on X. Go look it up online. It's out there. I'm not making this up, okay? My point is this, is that I believe more strongly in XRP as one of the biggest investments that I've ever made and one of the biggest 10X multipliers that I believe that's out there. The 10X potential, 20X, 30X, 40X. Is that going to happen tomorrow? No, I'm not saying it will. I'm looking at it long-term, 6 months, a year, 2 years, 5 years from now, and getting that 30X, that 40X multiple. Because Bitcoin's already done that X multiple. Ethereum's already done it. XRP? No, not really. Okay, it hasn't. It's the single biggest opportunity I think that we have in crypto. And yes, I own Cardano, and yes, I own all the other major cryptos. Cardano's got a major opportunity as well. But right now, XRP is the one that I really, really think is there. Okay. So before I let you go, again, you want help making even more money in crypto? Hey, Austin, does your software you talk about all the time, did it get a buy alert and a sell alert for this new move up and dip? Yes, it did. You're seeing it right here. Every single one of this is the XRP chart. You see in the upper left-hand corner, and you see every single one of these candles is 2 hours worth of trading data. You can see right here, it gave a buy alert. This was before the announcement on Sunday, the announcement that XRP was being added to the strategic reserve. Why, well, Austin, how could it give a buy alert? Because it's based off of analytic data. It's based off of momentum data. And you can see 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, about 16 hours before XRP took off, there's the buy alert right there. Don't believe me? It's right there. Okay. I love it when people say, well, that's not true. It's on the freaking screen. Okay. There's the buy alert. And then there's the sell alert when XRP started to turn. 1 day, 10 hours, 30%. $1,000 bought here, sold here. Would have made you a profit of $301. Links in the description below here on YouTube, as well as here on X. Links below to get it. Here's Cardano. Remember, it ran. There's the buy alert right there. And 2 hours worth of trading data. So 2, 4, probably about 20 hours before Cardano took off, there was a buy alert right there. In 2 days and 6 hours, Cardano went up 63%. $1,000 bought here, sold here, would have made you a profit of $637. This is how you make money in a volatile market. This works for every crypto out there. You can use my software anywhere in the world. It runs on an iPhone. It runs on Android. It runs on your computer. It runs everywhere. You can set these alerts. The alerts are little pop-ups that'll come up on your phone. Buy Cardano, sell Cardano, buy XRP, sell XRP, just like you see right here. Okay. Didn't you give yourself an objective, a goal for 2025 to make more money in this crypto market? If you did, you need to be using technology, and this can help you. It literally costs you about $1 a day. With that link down, there's a discount code. Use it. It's a quarterly option. It's the cheapest. And there's a 30-day no questions asked money back refund guarantee. What does that mean? You get to try the software for 30 days. You don't like it, you get an instant refund the minute you ask for it. Okay. So you have no excuses. Take it for a test spin. Try it. Here's it working real time right here. Cardano, ADA. I could give you 4 or 5 others. Oh, here's another thing. You want to use the software to trade stocks as well? All right, here you go. Here's the software working. This is the Apple chart right here. You see it? Apple. That's a buy alert to a sell alert right there. So there's a buy all the way to that sell, 15 days, 8%. Again, stocks don't move as much as crypto, but you get my point. So you really get a 2-for-1. You get stocks and you get crypto with my software. So give it a look. Take it for a test spin. I'll see you. Have a good one. Go make some money. Bye.